The most important tool isn't made of metal or plastic or wood. It's the one able to see possibility in anything it touches, able to teach and able to learn. The tool that holds every other, through which we express what's in our minds, our hearts, and our imagination. Each hand able to shape and be shaped by the things you make, helping you leave your fingerprints on this world and earning calluses along the way. The tool you use to hold up the finished product and say, "Look what I made."